Hi, I'm Jessica from Learn Canyon Formulation School, and today we will discover the art of blending essential oils to create unique, natural scents for your formulations. Creating your own unique scent blends is both an art and a science. Let's dive into the steps you need to consider when blending essential oils. First, understand the fragrance notes, and those are top, middle, and base. So basically, essential oils are classified into top, middle, and base notes. Top notes are light and fresh. Middle notes are the heart of the blend. Base notes provide depth and longevity. Here are some example notes. Citrus oils like lemon and bergamot are top notes. Floral oils like lavender and geranium are middle notes. And earthy oils like sandalwood and patchouli are base notes. A balanced blend of fragrance or a product typically includes all three notes. Next step is to consider basic blending ratio. So start with a basic ratio of 3 to 2 to 1. So it will be 3 parts top note, 2 parts middle note, and 1 part base note. This ratio can be adjusted based on your personal preference and the desired strength of each note. Now, let's create a refreshing blend. We'll use 3 drops of lemon, your top note, 2 drops of lavender, your middle note, and 1 drop of sandalwood, your base note. After blending, let your mixture sit for at least 24 hours to allow the scents to meld together. This process, known as maturation, helps to create a harmonious blend. Always dilute your essential oil blends before applying them to the skin. A safe dilution ratio is typically 2 to 3% essential oil to carrier oil. For example, for every 100 milliliters of carrier oil, add 2 to 3 milliliters of your essential oil blend. You can incorporate your essential oil blends into various formulations like lotions, serums, and balms. Always perform a patch test to ensure there's no irritation. Blending essential oils is a creative and rewarding process that allows you to craft personalized, natural scents for your skincare formulations. Remember to experiment, be patient, and enjoy the aromatic journey. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more professional insights and formulation tips. Until next time, keep blending and keep creating.